Hi there! Welcome to our video on nonviolent communication, or NVC for short. Today we're diving into a method of communication that can transform how we interact with others. So, what is nonviolent communication? Nonviolent communication is a method of empathetic conversation that focuses on understanding and meeting the needs of both the speaker and the listener. If we define violence as causing harm to ourselves and others, then much of the way we communicate might actually fit this characterization. Yikes! NVC was popularized in the 1960s and is based on the idea that all human beings have the capacity for compassion. According to Marshall Rosenberg, the founder of NVC, people only resort to violence or harmful behavior when they don't recognize more effective ways to fulfill their needs. Therefore, by using nonviolent language, we can create more peaceful outcomes. Now, you might be wondering, how can I apply nonviolent communication in my daily life? Great question. Here are some tips. Let's delve into some valuable tips for practicing nonviolent communication. First, be mindful of your language. It's crucial to use non-judgmental, clear and specific language. Avoid words that might trigger negative emotions or criticism. Secondly, listen actively. This means listening with an open mind and trying to truly understand the other person's perspective. Remember to avoid interrupting or judging their words. Thirdly, identify your feelings and needs. Be aware of your own feelings and needs and communicate them honestly and respectfully. Lastly, practice empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. Use phrases like, "I hear you" or "I understand how you feel." Nonviolent communication, or NVC, is built around 4 key components. Let's explore them. First, observations. Present the simple facts without judgment. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," say, "In our meeting today, I noticed you were on your phone." Next, feelings. Take responsibility for your feelings. Instead of saying, "You make me so mad," try, "I feel frustrated when this happens." Then, needs. Connect your feelings to unmet needs. If you're feeling hurt, it might be because you need recognition or support. And finally, requests. Make specific, positive, doable requests. Instead of demanding, "Stop working so much," try, "I'd like you to spend more time with me at home." The beauty of NVC is that it can be used in all kinds of situations. Intimate relationships, families, schools, businesses, you name it. It's about creating a safe space where everyone can express themselves freely and with empathy. Let's say someone criticizes you by saying, "You're so selfish." You have a few options. 1. Take it personally. "I really am selfish." 2. Fight back. "I'm not selfish, you're selfish." 3. Consider your own feelings and needs. "When I hear you say that I am selfish, I feel hurt because I need some recognition of the effort I make to consider your preferences." 4. Consider the other person's feelings and needs. Are you feeling hurt because you need more consideration for your preferences? By tuning into options 3 or 4, you open up the possibility for understanding and resolution. NVC isn't just about talking, it's also about listening. Receiving empathically is just as important as expressing honestly. And guess what? Meditation and NVC go hand in hand. Meditation helps us slow down and become aware of our feelings and needs, which is crucial for effective NVC. So, to sum it all up, nonviolent communication is about fostering empathy, understanding, and mutual respect. It's not about ending disagreements, but improving the overall quality of life through better communication. Give it a try and see how it can transform your interactions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on improving your communication skills. Remember, the more we practice NVC, the more natural it becomes. See you next time.